Introducing the 2025 Volkswagen T-Cross Won't OTSI 95B horsepower edition 75 in sleek grey exterior with a 1 litre engine size and 26 111 kilometres on the clock. This car is packed with features like air conditioning, Bluetooth phone, cruise control and much more for your comfort and convenience. Safety is a top priority with ABS, collision alert, lane departure warning and multiple airbags to keep you secure on the road. And with privacy glass, roof rails and luxury trim, you'll be driving in style. This vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this fantastic deal. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie today for more information. Drive away in your dream car now.